Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get PayPal money off hold. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Update the product's tracking information. After using one of the approved shipping carriers, you will need to add the tracking information. Once the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address, PayPal should release the hold after 24 hours. Do the following. Navigate to Activity. Select the transaction. Select Product. Enter the tracking information. Change the transaction's order status to completed. If the payment is on hold for a service that cannot be physically shipped, PayPal will hold the funds until you mark the order status as completed. Once marked, it can take up to 7 days for the funds to be released. Do the following. Navigate to Activity. Select the transaction. Then select Service or Virtual Product. After that, select Completed. Click on Submit. Use PayPal to purchase and print shipping labels. Once the shipping label is printed, PayPal will track the item and release the hold about 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. Do the following. Navigate to Activity. Select the transaction. Select Print Shipping Label. Select the transaction and click Apply Shipping Preset and select the shipping option. Click on Buy Label. Make sure the payment type is correct. If you are not a seller and you received money from a family or friend, you may have been sent a goods and services payment by mistake. In this case, you will need to change the order status. Do the following. Navigate to Activity. Select the transaction. Select Service or Virtual Product. Then select Completed. Click on Submit. Ask the sender to review the transaction and select Confirm Receipt. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.